Good morning, beta. Today we are going to discuss who is the hero of the play, The Merchant of Venice. Let us first of all understand who a hero is. He is the center and the source of the main action of the play, and the play moves around him. He is indispensable, a man of strong character. If removed from the play, the plot will fall like a house of cards. He must have some outstanding qualities of character. Now, when we talk of the hero of the play, The Merchant of Venice, different opinions arise. Shylock, Bassanio, Antonio, they are all very important for the play. Some critics say that Shylock is the hero, while others think that Antonio is the hero. And some more critics, they believe that the play has no hero, and they regard Portia as the most important character in the play. Antonio has great importance from the point of view of the plot and structure. Shylock is the most powerful character in the play, and if we call Portia a heroine, her husband Bassanio should be regarded as the hero of the play. We'll go through all the issues, all three of them, and see who becomes the hero according to us. First of all, we'll discuss Shylock. Shylock is a very powerful and impressive character. He dominates all other characters. Antonio and Bassanio seem very weak and pale beside him, but because of his negative traits, I think that Shakespeare never wanted him to be the hero. If the play had ended with the fourth act soon after the trial scene, then Shylock would have been the tragic hero, and the play would have been a tragedy of Shylock. But as the play has 5 acts and it is a romantic comedy, Shylock is nowhere to be seen in the 5th act, and this way, because of his villainy and because of his negative effect in the play, he forfeits his claim to be the hero. Now comes Bassanio. There are many people who say that Bassanio is the hero. There is, I think, no doubt that the Cascade story has a hero, and that hero is Bassanio, because choosing the right casket and winning the hand of Portia in marriage is heroic, but he has no qualities or hero-like qualities of character. He lives beyond his means, he spends money, and he is into financial difficulties. He goes to his friend Antonio like a beggar to ask for a loan to go to Belmont. He is at the mercy of Antonio. If Antonio had not helped him, he could never had gone to Belmont and get married to Portia. His story almost ends when he marries Portia. That is, by the time he chooses the right casket. He is not the Merchant of Venice. So he also cannot be called the hero. Now comes the case of Antonio. Antonio is the play is actually named after him. Antonio is the hero to a certain extent because he is the royal merchant of Venice. His ships have gone to far off countries of the world. Shakespeare also intended him to be the hero because he has always named his plays after his heroes like Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, King Lear. If we take these examples, then maybe the Merchant of Venice is also named after the hero, and Antonio, who is the royal merchant of Venice, is the hero of the play. Because he is the central figure, the play begins with him, ends with him, and moves around him. He is the source and spring of the main action. He borrows money for Bassanio. He signs the bond. He is tried in the court and he is saved by Portia. The climax of the play is reached when we meet Antonio in the trial or in the court. Then he pushes the casket story. The Bond story starts and ends with him. Then the court scene starts and ends with him. And many qualities of character are outstanding in him. He may seem a little bit of weak and passive, but he is very kind and generous, a very good best friend for Bassanio. He lends money free of interest. He is a true and sincere friend. Then for his sake, he borrows money, as we all know, from Shylock, and thus signs the bloody bond. Then he is ready to sacrifice his life for his dear friend because he thinks that friendship is selfless and self-sacrificing. We can call him the character of Antonio as the hero. Shakespeare, I think, by giving the title The Merchant of Venice to this play, he wanted Antonio to be the hero, although it is not necessary that a hero has to be very romantic or a hero has to fight many fights. That is not the outstanding quality of a hero, and Antonio is certainly a very good character. Tomorrow we'll be doing the Ring episode, which is quite important from the examination point of view. Thank you.